the temperature of the two surfaces of a composite slab consisting of two materials having coefficients of thermal conductivity K and 2K, thickness X and 4X respectively, are T2 and T1, right? Now what is happening is, this slab is this entire slab. This slab is having a thickness X and conductivity as K, right? Now another slab, this is having a thickness 4X and thermal conductivity as 2K. Now they are having their temperatures as T2, this is having T1, right? T2 is greater than T1. The rate of heat transfer through the slab in a steady state is this, with F equal to, what is this F, right? Now what will happen, since this T2 is at greater temperature, what will happen? Heat will flow from over here, right? Now what is the formula for heat flow? We know that dQ by dt, rate of heat transfer, is given by delta T by resistance, thermal resistance R. And what is the thermal resistance? These two resistances, this slab will offer a different resistance, and this slab, this 4x, the length whose length is 4x, this will offer a different resistance. Now these two are in series, so that means what we will do is we will add the resistances. Now what is the net thermal resistance? R thermal. This will be equal to what? R1 plus R2, right? Now what is R1? R1 is the resistance of the first slab and R2 is the resistance of the second slab. Now what is R1? R1 is given by what? It will be given by the thickness upon Ka, because this is the formula, and R2 is 4x upon 2Ka, because its conductivity is 2K and thickness is 4x. So that means this will be x upon Ka plus 4x upon 2Ka, right? So this will be equal to what? These two will cancel out. It will be 2x upon Ka. That means 3x upon Ka. This is the net thermal resistances which it is offering, right? So that means what? dQ by dt can be written as Ka over 3x into delta T. Delta T is what? T2 minus T1, right? So this is the net formula that we are getting. But if we see over here, although there is a mistake, small mistake, this L should be K basically, right? This should be K. So there is a small mistake. This was a typing error, right? So A into T2 minus T1 into K upon X. So that means F here in this formula, this F should be 1 by 3, right? Because this is the net formula that we are getting. That means F is 1 by 3. That means option B is correct. So this was another very easy question from 2004. So this is basically the answer.